The review of the Infinix Hot 12, a budget-friendly device from Infinix.
Go.
So far, Infinix has released a very good set of devices, such as the Note 12 series among others, and they all run Android 12 with the latest version of the XOS skin.
Go.
But surprisingly wallet-friendly as it doesn't approach the $200 mark.
Go.
Well, I think I'm getting ahead of myself here.
Go.
The Infinix Hot 12 comes with a lot of interesting content.
Go.
Let's start with the unboxing.
Go.
In this very interesting box, we get the smartphone. Let's put that aside.
Go.
A TPU case, a USB-C cable, a pair of headphones, and an 18-watt fast charger.
Go.
The SIM ejector tools and a smaller envelope which contains the X-Pack leaflet, the dollar bill invitation card, and a user manual.
Go.
As we open the phone, we see that this is a very good-looking device.
Go.
Infinix Hot series has become more matured as they become more and more premium each year. The Note series are obviously better looking, but they cost 20% more expensive. If we look at display now, we can tell that this is a very beastly display. Indeed, this is a 6.82-inch HD Plus IPS display. I know some will be disappointed with the absence of an OLED panel in the Hot series yet again this year. And it's present in the Note 12 VIP also. But like I said, this is more costly on the Note 12 VIP. And also, this is a 10-bit panel and the colors are very vivid, but not like that of the Note 12. A very low density of 259 ppi, but we can forgive that as this is a very sharp screen indeed. So hey, if you love this channel, then the sub to the channel will be hot. Then we'll move here to the chipset. The Infinix Hot 12 is powered by the MediaTek Helio G85 processor and X6 gaming chip. Though a bit sad that we did not get the ultimate Dimensity 9000 chipset, but it's quite to remind you that this is an under $200 device. So it is run on the XOS skin 10.6 slapped on Android 12 with a beastly 90Hz refresh rate which adjusts dynamically and doesn't stutter at all to give you problems. So hopefully games like Genshin Impact and Call of Duty shouldn't experience any lag in their default settings. So this phone comes on board with 128 gigs of storage with 6 gigs of RAM on board, which can add additional 3 GB of RAM via the RAM Plus feature. So hopefully 9 GB of RAM is enough for a budget device. So hopefully multitasking on this phone with the processor, the octal CPU shouldn't give any problems at all. So it's safe to say that this phone doesn't support 5G and other bummer right? But if you want a phone that has 5G, please put your hand deep on your pockets. And we'll close up all of this to take a look at that camera. Nothing flattering about the camera, it's only a triple camera setup, a 13MP main shooter, a 2MP depth sensor and an AI sensor. There's nothing wrong with the camera sensor as it delivers excellently during the day, nothing very confusing right, but it is nothing to write home about during the night and tell you. The levels of macro are pretty small, but if you want a better camera setup, I would recommend the Infinix Note 12 instead. So a very good battery life of 5000 mAh should get to run throughout the day quite smoothly, and an 18-watt fast charger should get it back to 100 in no time. So that's all of my thoughts on the Infinix Hot 12, a very budget-friendly device from Infinix with the latest Android 12 running on it. So with a very decent gaming performance mode and all of that, I would not hesitate to recommend this device to you. If you are in budget to get a very good device, I would not hesitate to get this one right now. So if you love this video, don't forget to give it a like and sub to the channel to get more quality tech videos from Hillary. I'm Hillary and this is Hillary. Thanks for watching guys.